When we start learning any technology, the first question that comes in mind is why and what of this product? Why is this technology in place? What are the various components of this technology? In this section, we're going to start exploring answers to these queries. F5 BigIQ is a centralized solution which gives you a complete overview of your entire F5 product portfolio in a single pane of glass. It can support all F5 solutions, whether your F5 is a virtual edition, it is a hardware, it is a solution in the cloud. You can integrate all F5 devices to your BigIQ. Using BigIQ, you can perform general tasks like creating policies, licenses, SSL certificates. You can apply configuration changes on multiple F5 modules like LTM, DNS, APM, AFM, SSL orchestrator, DDoS, hybrid defender, APM, and many, many more. In today's fast moving world, every person within an organization want to do their job and do it very efficiently. Gone are those days when the application owner used to submit a request to network administrators. Then it took another 2 to 3 days for them to process the entire request, submit a change, get it approved, and then apply all the changes. Now, using BigIQ, you can customize those roles. You can create your own permissions. You can let application team manage their applications without even depending on the network administrators. You can define who can edit and deploy the policies, who can see the different statistics. So that is the level of control that you can manage via role-based access control feature. Next, talking about integrations. You can manage your applications with Application Service 3 extension, which is part of your F5 automation toolchain. With this, you can deliver the application using a declarative model, wherein you just tell what is it required instead of worrying how is it done, and everything gets implemented automatically. With centralized analytics, F5 helps you analyze the health, performance, and availability of your entire F5 product portfolio suite, no matter where they are. You can utilize F5 to review how your application is behaving. You can see the different statistics which are being collected by DCDs over a single pane of glass. Key use cases of BigIQ would include with something like device management. So with BigIQ, you can manage and track devices up to 1200. You can even manage the licensing of 5000 devices. You can perform license attaching to one VM and then again revoke it from the VM, attach it to another VM if you want to decommission it. All this process has become now simpler using BigIQ. Then you can even perform software upgrades. Think of a situation where you have thousands of devices in your environment and you want to perform simultaneous upgrades of at least around 100 or 200 devices. How difficult it would be for you to upload the images manually to each and every device. Now, using BigIQ, you can centralize all these tasks from one single interface. You can make use of the advanced analytics to analyze which application is performing in a bad way. You can see the different statistics. You can even go through SSL orchestrator to analyze the traffic decryption and re-encryption. And as per your requirement, you can steer the traffic to appropriate dynamic security service chains. It helps you get a complete overview of your SSL orchestrator processes and the host devices. You can even perform backup and restore of your F5 devices from BigIQ. You can perform tasks related to change management, like enabling, disabling various virtual servers, creating new virtual servers, certificate management, applying the certificates. With this, let's have a look at the available BigIQ solutions. The BigIQ is available as a virtual edition as well as an enterprise grade appliance, which is referred to as BigIQ 7000. Let's look at the elements of BigIQ solution. The first element would be your BigIQs, the centralized manager. You can have either one centralized manager or be deployed in active standby. The second part is the various BigIP devices which you are going to manage via BigIQ. Next is your data collection devices. These are again BigIQ devices itself, but with the different personalities. And then at the end, you might use remote storage devices to store the different statistics being collected via the DCDs. BigIQ. BigIQ is a centralized management device for controlling all your FI devices. You can perform tasks like licensing, monitoring, configuration management. Then when I say BigIP, it refers to the entire portfolio of F5 device, whether it is LTM, DNS, APM, ASM. Then when I say BigIQ data collection device, this is a device which is responsible for collecting statistics from all your BigIPs, managing and storing all these alerts, events from which are being generated from your BigIP devices. A group of DCDs which work together to store the data is mainly referred to as data collection cluster. And individual data collection devices would be referred to as nodes. Then we have remote storage device. This is only necessary when you have a requirement to store the logs from your DCD over to a remote storage solution for a longer period of time. Then there comes a concept of quorum DCD device. This you can think of like a triggering point for automatic failover between the DCD, between the BigIQ CMs. So for example, in this specific case, if the communication between your active BigIQ CM and your standby BigIQ CM is broken for some reason, then the BigIQ, which can communicate with this quorum DCD device, takes the role of active. Let's look at the complete solution architecture in terms of BigIQ. So first we have the BigIQ CM itself. If you're trying to deploy this in an active standby pair, it will be considered as a BigIQ HA configuration. Then we'll have BigIQ DCD. You can have multiple DCDs in your environment based on the number of devices from where you are trying to collect the statistics. Then we will have a remote storage device for the DCDs. This entire setup will be referred to as BigIQ DCD cluster. And at the last, we have multiple BigIP devices, which we are going to manage via our BigIQ. With this, we have completed this section.